In general, when Boxcutter is first enabled, there are a few behaviors I feel users must take into account to get the most out of their experience. If we expand the behavior sprocket, we can see that apply scale is enabled. This means that at the time that you draw your cut, scale will be applied. So let's take our cube, scale it. We see that scale is 1 and 1 on X and Y, but not on Z. If we begin drawing, we see that this cut has now made the shape apply scale, allowing us to get in and add a bevel, and there won't be any difficulty with scale related issues. The next one I want to talk about is auto smooth. Auto smooth will smooth the shape prior to you drawing your cut, allowing all your cuts to appear smooth. For example, if we draw a cut and we press B to bevel, we see that the bevel looks smooth in its transition, rather than us going under the behavior panel and turning off auto smooth and then drawing a bevel and actually having it come out looking faceted. So auto smooth is on by default. The next one is parent shape. Parent shape ensures that your cutters move with your shape whenever you move them. So you see how I'm able to press G and move this shape, and the shapes are coming along for the ride. The last one I want to talk about is AccuCut. AccuCut is a system for determining the depth of your cutter whenever you don't give it any depth and you intend to cut through. So right here I'm drawing a 2D shape and I'm pressing spacebar to cut through, and it will draw another shape and press spacebar to cut all the way through. If I were to press Q and use ever scroll, we see that this cutter is built to fit the size of the shape, and if we roll the wheel back to look at this other cutter, we see that this one is also sized to fit the size of the shape very nicely.